Hey, what's up guys? And in this video we're going to be going over the best retirement accounts that will easily leave you with at least $1 million in your account so that by the time you retire, you can be living your best retirement life. And if you would like to skip to certain parts in the video, I'll link timestamps down below, or you could just skip to the video. Anyways, let's get started. The first type of retirement accounts we're going to go over in this video are 401k accounts and 403b accounts. Now we're keeping these two retirement accounts together in this video because they're practically the same and have very little differences. Anyways, a 401k will be given to you if you work for a company that keeps its profits, or you'll get a 403b if you work for a nonprofit company. The best part about having a 401k or a 403b is that your employer can match the amount of money you put into them. Another good thing about owning one of these accounts is that you don't have to pay taxes on it until you withdraw the money. Keep in mind that you have to be at least 59.5 years old to take money out of this account. And if you took out money before that, then the amount of money that you took out would be taxed by 10%, and there's a few other taxes added on to that. So it's not a very good idea to do. Another great thing about these accounts is that you don't have to pay any taxes on the amount of money you put into them. For example, if you have a $60,000 salary and you have a 401k or a 403b account, and you put $10,000 every year into that 401k and 403b account, then your taxable income is only $50,000 instead of the $60,000. Moving on to our next retirement account, we have the Roth IRA. Unlike the other retirement accounts we just went over, your money is taxed when you put your money into this account, but isn't taxed when you take it out. And a great thing about this retirement account is that your earnings aren't taxed when your money grows, which this allows for excellent compounding interest. And just like the other retirement accounts, you have to be at least 59.5 years old to start taking money out. And if you withdraw before 59.5 years old, then you get a penalty and a 10% tax on the money that you took out. The amount of money you should be putting into these retirement accounts varies on your situation. But so I can help you, I'll link retirement calculators down below in the description. Anyways, I hope this video helped you out with picking out your retirement accounts, and good luck on investing in your future.